Good morning from Monday Mantra. Let's discuss about how adept, how aware we are into maintaining our important documents. When I say that, let me begin by ensuring that do you have your graduation or post-graduation certificate absolutely safe, your registration certificate updated, your PAN card details, your Aadhaar card details, your LIC policies if you have, your investment documents. Why am I bringing this up today? I've realized that for a period of time we are so focused in our work. At best, we have the faith in our chartered accountants that they file the returns. But beyond that, we don't bother much about the way to keep documents. Today at my age I realize that there are some documents which I want from time to time and I don't know where to look for. So if you can scan them, keep them carefully in a protected file. I'm talking about digitalization of your physical documents. It could be a bank loan update, it could be a property document like a deed, it could be your loan documents, your vehicle, your license. All of these need to be put properly in a file for ready reckoning. You don't know when you may need what. So it's important that you at least move it systematically. There's a checklist I can share if you can write to me personally on my email ID or on my website, because this checklist will ensure that all of your documents will be available at the click of a button on the computer, or even there you can write where have you kept it, in your locker or in your house, where you have kept it, like for easy retrieval as and when it's required by the respective regulatory authorities. It could be an income tax office, or it could be a municipal land record office, it could be your rental receipts of your place, whether it's a clinic or your home. All these documents need to be properly compiled, categorized and catalogued. Thank you.